Hi everybody, welcome back to Sweet and Savory Treats. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade vegetarian fried rice. And I actually added tofu to mine, so I fried the tofu beforehand and then added it in instead of using eggs so I could still have some protein in there. And it was really quick and easy, so I highly recommend you try it. And let's get started. I already made my rice and let it sit in the fridge for a little bit because you do want the rice to be cold. And I boiled roughly 3 cups of rice to 6 cups of water. So here I used about half the box of tofu that I had, and I cut it up into minier pieces. That way it'll cook evenly with the vegetables because they're all small. And then I used about 1 cup of peas, cut corn, carrots, onions, and red bell pepper, but you can kind of use whatever vegetables you like. As for the other ingredients, you're going to need toasted sesame oil, soy sauce, minced garlic, half a lemon, and some extra hot sauce if you want. So first off, I added the toasted sesame oil, and I would say this was about a couple tablespoons, just enough so that the tofu and the vegetables can cook in this oil. So now I'm just going to add the chopped up tofu, and this step does take a little bit longer because I waited for my tofu to turn a little bit goldenish brown at least, and it depends on how fried you want your tofu. So I would say this step took me roughly 15 to 20 minutes to get it to really cook properly. So now I'm just going to fry all the vegetables together. So here I add the diced carrots, the red bell pepper, the onions, and you can feel free to use green onions if you prefer. And then I added the baby corn and all the peas. So another thing I'm going to add is about 3/4 of a tablespoon of minced garlic. And you want to add the same amount of ginger as well, which I forgot to film. And I'm just going to continue letting the vegetables cook, and you kind of want to wait till they start to shrivel up a little bit and turn brownish black color, because that's when you know they're kind of fried, but you just don't want them to burn. So now I'm just going to add the rice as the vegetables continue to cook. And then in this step I added about 1/3 cup of soy sauce, but I ended up needing more as the recipe went on. So I recommend just starting off with 3/4 cups of soy sauce to really give it that flavor. And then I used half a lemon, but I didn't squeeze the whole thing, just a little bit to give some flavor. Now I just added a teaspoon of salt because the soy sauce already gives it that salty flavor. And then I just added a little bit of rice vinegar. So now I'm just constantly stirring the rice so it doesn't stick to the pan. And then I added in the tofu and gently folded it in, that way the tofu doesn't crumble or break. And now we are ready to serve the fried rice. And here we have our homemade vegetarian fried rice. Feel free to top it off with some sriracha or soy sauce. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys like this video. Please comment down below if you want any other recipes or videos or any other ideas that you guys might have or suggestions. And I really hope you guys like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys again soon for more videos. And I hope you guys are staying safe. Bye!